Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. Tutorial kita for double exposure. Okay, so last time kita try untuk guna double color exposure. So photos yang rasa terlupa on double color exposure, you can check out the previous video. Okay, alright, so now kita nak carry on with double exposure. Okay, so double exposure. Okay, so this is double exposure, and then this double exposure menggunakan double picture. Okay, double pictures, and one is nature picture, and then another one is the human picture lah. Alright, so kita terus carry on. This one. Alright, so macam biasa, you have to open the new files in A4 size, A4 paper, portrait. Okay, sebab kita tertulis untuk assignment 2 ni, kita nak carry on with the magazine front cover. Alright, so first macam biasa, kita just drag the first picture. Okay, your first picture is your picture, gambar awak sendiri. Kita go with model number 1. Alright, so just tarik. Okay, resize, Ctrl T. Okay, Ctrl T for resize, and then just drag your picture. Nak besar mana, nak kecil mana, it's up to you. If you want it to be half like this, and then you can. So now kita nak try untuk guna masking. Okay, untuk cutting. So before this, kalau semua pernah guna kan, sebelum ni kita guna lasso, and then kita pernah guna quick selection, and then kita juga pernah guna magic wand. Alright, so now kita akan guna masking. So how kita nak masking this picture? Okay, so untuk masking, for example, if you have a background, contohnya ada gambar dapur ke, ada gambar dinding ke, ada gambar basikal, ada gambar kereta ke, any background lah. Alright, so masking ni dia akan pilih you punya subjek utama, okay, iaitu awak lah, and then the rest dia akan buang, auto buang. Alright, so macam mana is cara dia? Pergi ke quick selection, click quick selection. Okay, ambil quick selection, and then you can see up here there is an option ke atas ni, ada select object. Okay, just select. Okay, so now what you can see here now, awak akan nampak the active line. Alright, so kalau rasa active line ni tak berapa nak cantik ataupun tak kena dengan cita rasa korang, okay, nak tolak ke dalam, nak tolak keluar tu, macam biasa you have to go up here, option untuk minus and plus. Okay, kalau nak tolak ke dalam, just minus lah, ambil lah pick minus, and then just tolakkan dia ke dalam like that. Okay, if you rasa you want to make it plus atau nak tolak keluar, just take the plus and then just click and hold, tolak. Alright. Okay, so for me, now I think okay, no problem. Saya nak yang inilah, yang lain-lain ni tak nak. Okay, now next kita kena tekan this masking. Okay, so di manakah masking ini? Okay, you just go to the, tengok dekat bahagian panel layer, and then tengok bahagian bawah ni, kita ada option kat bawah ni. Alright, so you can see there is a trash, and then there is a create a new layer, create a new group, create new fill or adjustment layer, and then add layer mask, add a layer style. Okay, so kita nak go for add layer mask. Okay, make sure awak dah select the layer, okay, model 1 ni, and then just click the add layer mask. Click. Okay, so dia akan automatically cut off, okay, semuanya melainkan gambar ataupun ruang di dalam active line. Ada satu kotak black and white, so this is masking layer. Okay, so now what you have to do, okay, ada setengah gambar, mungkin before this, okay, kita buka file new, so kita akan ada background. Okay, kita akan ada solid background. Kalau fotos yang tak ada, okay, what you can do, okay, selain daripada kita tak nak tengok ni kotak-kotak ni. So you can go to down here again, go to the create new field, okay, klik je, select solid color. Okay, solid color kita warna putih Okay, and then drag it letak bawah layer 1. Alright, so now you have a solid white background. Kita nak drag the second picture. Okay, kita drag the second picture. Saya ambil satu gambar nature lah. Okay, and then kita letak atas sekali. Okay, Ctrl T, just drag. Okay, so nanti kita akan adjust lah later on, enter. Dan next step is rasterize macam biasa, macam sebelum ni. If anything happen lepas ni you nak padam ke, you nak edit ke for this layer ataupun picture, yes you can. Okay, but first you have to rasterize layer. Okay, so next after that, okay, just select your solid color. Okay, sebab kita nak macam mana kita nak samakan, just double click your solid background tadi, warna putih tadi, just double click here. Then, okay, macam mana kita nak samakan, kita bawa cursor kita terus pergi ke workspace. Okay, you can see your cursor will be turning on eyedropper. Okay, dia macam ala-ala penyedut sikit. So, select ataupun sedut area color yang paling cerah. So, just click here now. Alright, so okay. Alright, so next you have to go to this option. Okay, kita tak nak normal, kita nak guna screen. Okay, just click on screen. So this is the effect yang kita nak. Cerahkan sikit lah. Okay, kita boleh arrange lah gambar awak ni, gambar nature awak ni. Okay, and take the curves. Okay, kita adjust. Okay, tarik this. Rollkan dia ke kanan atau ke kiri. Okay, it's up to you. Kita tak nak gambar-gambar nampak macam shadow-shadow sikit untuk pokok ni. Boleh padam. Okay, caranya macam mana nak padam. Okay, go to your masking layer. Okay, klik dekat black and white and masking ni. Alright, so macam mana kita nak padam, kita tak boleh guna eraser. You have to use the brush. Okay, to erase the masking. Kalau gambar biasa, yes, you can use the eraser. But for masking layer ataupun masking gambar masking, you have to erase by using the brush. Okay, so take the brush and then you have to make sure the foreground is black and white, and then you can erase. Okay. So next, you can also erase by using eraser for this nature. Okay. Kalau contohnya, this mata dia macam diganggu oleh that picture. Contohnya kawasan mata ni diganggu oleh the exposed from another picture. Okay, so you can erase, alright, if you want to lah. Alright, so next is you can drag the magazine logo. Okay, so this is the magazine logo. So I think that's all. Alright, if you want to put the sub headline, okay, the other two, then you can put here, and then don't forget you have to put the barcode, and then you have to put the price, you have to put the tagline if you have, and you also have to put the maybe month for this magazine. So I think that's all. All right, that's all for today. That's all for this tutorial. All right, so I hope you can try this at home, and then you may continue with your assignment to progress. Okay, so I'll see you in our class. Okay, bye-bye.